I'm Arrnott Olssen and I'm teaming up with Johnny Bigg to bring you Bigg Dude Food. Everybody loves a good curry, so here's my quick and easy Fijian chicken curry. Once the oil heats up, add your dry spices and curry leaves. Add your ginger, garlic and chili, coriander root and stalks. Then add your sliced onions, a little sprinkle of salt, and pop your lid on so you can sweat the onions. Now add your chicken and season well. For the fresh tomato chutney, we've got cubed tomatoes, cucumber, and some Spanish onion, and a little bit of chili. Now, it's up to you how much chili you use. Once that's mixed well, season with a good heaping of salt, a good glug of brown vinegar, and the juice of a lemon. Mix thoroughly. Add a little bit of fresh coriander leaves before setting aside, ready to serve with the curry. If you need, add the rest of your curry powder, season with a bit more salt. Turn the heat off and add some coriander, all diced up ready. Mix that through and it's ready for serving. So if you ever thought making a curry would be difficult, we've just shown you otherwise. That's my Fiji Indian chicken curry. Hope you enjoy it.